Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Daniel Norton, photographer here in New York. On this channel, I talk about technique, about business, and about the art of photography. If you're interested in those kind of things, go ahead and subscribe. But I asked you all, how did I light this? So this image here was taken a few years back, and it's a digital image, even though it's black and white, and it was shot with 3 lights. So I was going through my dado light phase. You'll see a lot of this because some of my favorite images came from this phase. And basically, dado lights are small hot lights, if you will, movie lights. And they use, they have the ability to take a barn door really nicely. So there's actually 2 lights with barn doors here and then 1 light with a softbox. And let me show you where they are. So there's a light coming from here with the barn door. Now, this light is pointed more directly at her midsection and arms, and it's creating this shadow here, the darker part of it, right? You see it on the wall because the edge of the light is hitting there. I have the barn door narrow, so the edge of the light is hitting the wall, but the primary part of the light is hitting her midriff, which of course is highlighting the beautiful tattoo that she had there. Above that, we see another light. This light, though, is pointed more at the wall, kind of the opposite, right? The edge of the light is now hitting her, which is why the side of her face is lit here, and this side goes into darkness. Now, to kind of round the thing out so it wouldn't just be super contrasty, there's a softbox, a small softbox, also in a dado light, above, kind of shooting, I can't draw up there, but shooting down and lighting the top of her head is where you see it the most common, but you can see the highlight on her shoulder there. This is basically, again, you can see this is the light from the softbox, and then this light on her arm is the light from the light in the front. That's how you can tell the difference there. So there's 3 lights going on here to create this kind of moody shot. When I shoot kind of figure type images, which this is, I tend to think about it as lighting up the parts of the figure I want to showcase. I use the same technique in fashion. If I'm shooting a certain gown or fashion outfit, I want to light each part of it, if I can, very specifically. That's when you're doing kind of a more posed image, obviously. If you're doing something where people are moving around, multiple lights like this isn't always the best way. In any case, did you get this right? How would you light it if you didn't get to see it before? Have you ever used dado lights? Let me know in the comments below any thoughts you have on this image or the series in general. If you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Check the description below. You'll find a link to my Discord server if you want to join the conversation over there, and also to my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. I'll talk to you soon.